Hello everyone, welcome to Async Crypto. So in this video we will be talking about Bitcoin price prediction as well as we will be taking the price prediction of Ethereum. So if you're interested in crypto and crypto related stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button and do hit the like button. So let's get on with first with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin does have a huge volume candle over here. So you can see over here the past few weeks or few months there was no volume, but there's only a single big volume candle and afterwards the volume has been decreased. So that means it's clearly a whale manipulation. As you can see over here, just the liquidation is about 300 million in last 24 hours. So it's clearly a sign of whale manipulation. And if we look at the traditional market is also taking a downtrend. So if you can see over here, there's another trend line forming over here which connects many dots. You can see over here that's a mini falling wedge under a falling wedge. So it doesn't look pretty bullish to me. It's taking resistance, but I think so the traditional market will get bullish once it crossed this pattern, but I highly doubt it because today is the last trading day as well as this number releasing in 13th. So I highly doubt it will pump more, as but the whales are manipulating this market right now because the volume is very low and liquidations are much higher. So what you can see in Bitcoin, if this gain is support over this trend line which is about 2170, so Bitcoin can pump till 24, but I highly doubt this will the case because the RSI is already in the oversold zone and there's only a single volume candle. We need a much higher volume candle to go upside. As well as you can see, mostly the people who were liquidated were shorts. So we call it a short squeeze basically. So I think so they were targeting shorts to get liquidated because from past 1 week maybe there was no liquidation at all. So exchanges and whales were trying to liquidate shorts, and now that the sentiment of people are bullish, so we can see the funding rate. Let's see the funding rate. So yeah, so sentiments of people are pretty bullish, so that means there's a chance of dump. As well as this big volume candle concerned me because there is no such big volume candle in far long way. So you can see over there this volume candle was very rare. I think so it's a pure liquidation if we see in daily time frame. Yeah, so this type of volume was on around May 21, so that's a pretty 1 year gap if you look at this way. So this is a pure manipulation. Please try to stay careful in this market, try to trade it careful. I will be entering in a big position and on about 13th of this month and maybe on 28th because things will look more clear. You can notice one thing over here. There's a bull flag type of bear flag type of formation over here. Just let me make it clear. Yeah, so this is a bear flag and it often break downwards, and this trend is continuing from very long time. So just to stay careful. This pump might be a little fake. As you can see, I have drawn two possibilities. First, it get retested and it get a pump again, and second is the sharp downward trend. So what you want to see is if this Bitcoin hold this triangle or not, because in the past, as you can see, there was a fake out over here and then the trend continues in downside. So we want to see as you can see there's three candles, but in the past you can see Bitcoin consolidated over 2 days. So it's had hardly been 1 day. So we need to wait till Monday at least. If the weekly closing gets above this triangle pattern, then we might see a bullish upside, and if weekly closing comes under it, we might see another downside depending on Dow Jones and the all over global market. Because as much as technical analysis work, fundamental and news update also pretty much works that way. So more importantly, just look at the fundamental news and the microeconomic factors of the world before looking to the charts right now, because the volume is very low. So there's no guarantee the chart patterns will work out definitely as it works in bull market. So let's talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum, I'm thinking Ethereum will dump because there's two resistance of this trend line of rising wedge, and rising wedge itself is a very bearish pattern. as well as you can see there's a trend line over here which Ethereum couldn't break at all, nor it can close its single candle above, and it's now inside this rising wedge. So if rising wedge breaks, we can see Ethereum around $1,000. So where I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, firstly I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. Basically I will buy Bitcoin below 20,000, and if I want to buy Ethereum I'll buy around 1,000 or maybe 900. But I'm looking to put big chunk of money on around 750 to 500 if Ethereum comes there, because it's more or less less riskier than putting it money right now, because it's more risky to put money right now as the market conditions are not stable, and you can see manipulation are being held in this market. So be sure, if you put any money, just don't put all at once. Just try to DC into it, Bitcoin and Ethereum, slowly, and after that the market gets stabilized after July, then you might see a bit from altcoins also. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe and share button. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.